Hey guys, hope you're having a great day. So today's video is going to be about National Vegetarian Week and how I took on the challenge of being vegetarian for a week. It isn't very hard to be vegetarian. There's tons of people in the world who are vegetarian, but it's hard sometimes to make the switch. Ever since I moved to university, I found it difficult to find a source of protein that was not meat. I know they exist, but I never avidly searched them out. Day one was by far one of the easiest days. I went into the whole thing completely motivated. I planned my week in advance to try and see what meals I can do and everything like that. Day one, I found this absolutely great pasta recipe. It was just really good. It smelled amazing when I was cooking it, so that made me very excited to eat it. Made enough for 5 meals, so I ate it 3 lunches and 2 dinners. It's also great if you have friends over, you can make them that. And what I basically did is I took a chicken-based recipe and took out all the chicken. I think that's one thing I learned, that there's easy replacements. Day 2 and 3 were by far the hardest. For some reason, my subconscious was still not set on being vegetarian. Those cravings settled down. I just realized that it was a transition period. For breakfast I was eating chia seeds with almond milk. I've been snacking on almonds, walnuts. By the end of day 4 I was feeling a lot better myself. Day 5 I did another recipe, which is broccoli meatballs. I ate them twice. I ate them with rice and I ate them with pasta and both times with tomato sauce. That was really easy. One thing that I had ready in my cupboards was a gluten-free pizza base. I basically took the leftover tomato sauce, added some onions and a bit of garlic in it, mixed it up, put that on the pizza base, and with some mozzarella I just got the end product, which there is a bite missing of, and I'm so sorry, but I couldn't wait. Day 7, I had a few broccoli meatballs left, I had a bit of tomato sauce left, and I had bread. So what I did is I toasted some bread, put some tomato sauce on the bread, fried an egg and put it on top, had broccoli meatballs on the side. It doesn't sound very appealing, but it is really good. I feel more confident about moving into a more vegetarian diet. I'm still eating meat, but I'm not eating meat as often as I used to. There are tons of health benefits coming from going vegetarian. Your mood may increase positively. You're reducing on the long run health issues such as cardiac disease, type 2 diabetes, hypertension. It's a great experience for everyone. It just shows that it's not necessary to eat meat. By going vegetarian, you're not only improving your health, the environment as well. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!